welcome to GigaBits. You've probably seen bc.game everywhere in the crypto gambling world. Flashy ads, influencers claiming huge winnings, and users showing screenshots of crazy payouts. The platform promotes itself as a transparent, provably fair crypto casino where anyone can win big using Bitcoin, Ethereum, or dozens of other tokens. But is bc.game actually a legitimate crypto gaming platform? Or is it just another high-risk scheme disguised with bright graphics and aggressive marketing? Today we're digging deep into how bc.game works to see whether it's a real platform you can trust or a potential scam. I spent 2 weeks testing bc.game with a small balance in BTC and USDT, trying out several games including Crash, Plinko, Dice, and the platform's in-house original titles. I evaluated speed, fairness, withdrawal reliability, bonus systems, and user protection features. I also compared community feedback from Reddit, Trustpilot, and crypto gaming forums to see how real players feel about the platform. Combining personal testing with user reports, here's the clearest breakdown of bc.game you'll find. bc.game makes several strong claims: 100% provably fair gaming using blockchain verification, fast crypto deposits and withdrawals, massive selection of casino-style and original games, daily bonuses, rain rewards and VIP systems, anonymous play without KYC for most users, higher winning odds than traditional online casinos. But how many of these claims are actually accurate? And how many are marketing tactics? Let's break it down. Step 1. Gameplay and fairness. bc.game offers provably fair verification on many in-house games. This means you can check the fairness of each result using cryptographic hashes. During testing, gameplay was smooth and results appeared consistent with true probability. However, third-party casino titles rely on external providers, so fairness depends on those companies rather than bc.game itself. Step 2. Deposits and withdrawals. Deposits were fast, typically under a minute for USDT and ETH. Withdrawals also processed without delay, but here's the catch. Some users report occasional withdrawal holds requiring verification, especially for large amounts. While this isn't necessarily a scam, it can be frustrating for players expecting instant payouts. Step 3. Bonuses and rewards. bc.game promotes generous bonuses, but many come with strict wagering requirements. For example, converting bonus credits into real money can require significant playtime, which is a common strategy in online casinos. The VIP system does offer real benefits, but only for long-term, high-volume players. Step 4. User experience. The interface is fast, polished, and very addictive. Games load instantly, and the ability to switch between multiple cryptocurrencies is convenient. Still, the design encourages non-stop play, meaning it's easy to overspend if you're not careful. Step 5. Community feedback. Positive user comments say fast withdrawals, fun original games, transparent provably fair system. Negative reports say, lost money faster than expected. Bonus system is confusing and restrictive. KYC pops up randomly when withdrawing big amounts. Step 6. The scam question. bc.game is not an exit scam. It does pay out and has been operating for years. However, it is a gambling platform. The house always has an edge, no matter how fair the system appears. So while it isn't a fake casino, users expecting guaranteed profits may feel scammed simply because gambling odds work against them long term. Is bc.game real or a scam? It's real, but you must know what you're getting into. bc.game works if you want a legitimate crypto casino, fast deposits and mostly reliable withdrawals, provably fair in-house games, a wide selection of crypto-friendly gaming options. It won't work if you expect guaranteed winnings, huge bonus payouts without wagering, a risk-free experience, a platform designed to help you make money. bc.game is a functioning crypto gaming site, not a scam, but it is still gambling, and the odds are always in the platform's favor. If this review helped you understand whether bc.game is worth trying, hit the like button and subscribe to GigaBits. We break down trending crypto and tech platforms every week. Stay informed and stay safe.